In this video, we will discuss how to set up maintenance intervals as well as how to clear codes if we have any diagnostic trouble codes arise. In order to get to maintenance and calibrations, select the menu button, then select the maintenance icon from machine settings. On a brand new machine, there will be no service intervals currently set up. If I would like to set one up, simply select Add Service Interval. I do have to give my interval a name. So being this is a brand new machine, I'm going to say I would like to change the break-in oil after 100 hours. So I'll type break-in oil. Then I need to set up what the hour interval is when I would like a notification. I'm going to select 100 hours from now. My counter will be engine hours, and then I can simply add a note if I would like to learn more or add something in there to remind me later of what I may need to do. So I may put in use regular oil. Select OK, and then I can save. At this point, I can see my interval is 100 hours from now, and I currently have 0 hours elapsed. So if I were to come in here later, it may say I have 40 hours, and then once I get to 100, we'll get a notification pop up on the screen to let us know it's time to change the break-in oil. So another nice feature of the Generation 4 display is I can set up multiple intervals for different service work. So many customers perform a 50-hour service on their machines every 50 hours. So if I would like to set that up, I could go ahead and do that. And I could call it simply 50-hour service. Select 50 hours as my interval. Select engine hours. If I do not feel I need any notes, I do not have to fill any out, then I can go ahead and save. Then we can see my 50-hour service is popped up as another service interval. If at some point I have a diagnostic trouble code on the machine and I would like to clear the code, I will need to go to Menu, select System, then select Diagnostic Center. Select Trouble Codes. Trouble codes will be displayed that are active or inactive. As you can see, we have some inactive codes that are currently not active anymore. If I would like to clear those codes out, simply come down to the bottom, select Clear All Codes. Once complete, we can simply close out and get back to the run page.